You have $1,000 sitting in your bank account right now. You want to invest it. But every time you try, you get confused, overwhelmed, and you do nothing. So that $1,000 just sits there, doing absolutely nothing. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do with that $1,000 in 2026, step by step. If I was starting from zero. No fluff, no complicated jargon, just the truth. I'm Max, and welcome to Maxify Life. Here's the problem most people face. They Google how to invest, and they get 47 different answers. Stocks, crypto, real estate, index funds, ETFs. It's overwhelming. So they wait. And waiting is the most expensive mistake you can make, because time in the market beats timing the market every single time. So today, I'm cutting through all that noise. This is exactly what I'd do, in this exact order. Before you invest a single dollar, you need a safety net. Take $200 of that $1,000 and put it in a high-yield savings account. Right now in 2026, these accounts are paying 4 to 5% interest. Way better than your regular bank. This is your emergency cushion. Car breaks down, medical bill, job loss. Without this, you'll panic sell your investments at the worst time. $200 in HYSA. Done. Move on. Do you have credit card debt charging you 20% interest? If yes, paying that off is your investment. Think about it. If your credit card charges 22% and the stock market returns 10% on average, paying off that debt gives you a guaranteed 22% return. Nothing in the stock market guarantees that. So if you have high-interest debt, take $300 of your $1,000 and crush it. No debt. Skip this step. Keep that $300 for investing. Now the real investing begins. Take $500 and put it into a simple S&P 500 index fund. If you use Fidelity, it's FXAX. If you use Vanguard, it's VO. If you use Schwab, it's SCHB. These funds track the top 500 companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, all of them. $1 invested in the S&P 500 in 1980 is worth over $100 today. You don't need to pick stocks. You don't need to watch charts. You just buy and hold. This is the foundation every wealthy person builds on. This is the secret weapon most young Americans completely ignore. A Roth IRA. You invest after-tax dollars today, and every single dollar of growth comes out tax-free in retirement. Take your remaining money and open a Roth IRA with Fidelity or Vanguard. Both are free to open. Put the same S&P 500 index fund inside it. The difference? In a regular account, you pay taxes on your gains. In a Roth IRA, that $500 could grow to $50,000 tax-free. If you're under 50, you can contribute up to $7,000 per year. Start now, even with $500. Here's the truth nobody tells you. $1,000 one time won't make you rich, but $100 every single month for 30 years, at a 10% average return, that's over $200,000. The math doesn't lie. It's not about the amount. It's about the consistency. Set up an automatic transfer. Every payday, $50, $100, whatever you can, goes straight into your index fund. You won't even miss it. But 30 years from now, your future self will thank you. All right, let's recap exactly what to do with your $1,000 in 2026. $200 high-yield savings account. $300 pay off high-interest debt. $500 S&P 500 index fund inside a Roth IRA. That's it. Simple, proven, powerful. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need to start. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. Because every single week, Max breaks down real money strategies, simple enough for anyone to use.